This is hot. But this career is even hotter. Nothing has made an impact on humanity like fire and metal. Clark Steel Fabricators here in Lakeside has been using fire and metal to make a strong and beautiful impact on San Diego County since 1977.
So what do you do here at Clark Steel Fabricators?
So we are a miscellaneous metals fabricator. We're a subcontractor to general contractors who build all of the buildings you see in San Diego. We come in and build stairs, railings, all the miscellaneous steel that's not structural is what we do. We fabricate it here and then take it out to the job site and install it. My dad started the company 45 years ago. I started in the office, and then eventually when he retired, I took over as president. What I love most is, after 45 years of being in business, driving around San Diego and seeing these projects that we've worked on. The bridge that goes across San Diego State, the bridge at San Diego Zoo we built. So just seeing the projects that we've worked on over the years, it is so satisfying to see these guys take pride in their work. And it starts out as just raw steel, and they use their talents to fabricate what comes out as just a beautiful piece of art. And that's the talent that these guys have.
Caden Albert is a welder at Clark Steel, where he's a part of a team of talented and creative metal fabricating professionals who use raw metal and intense heat to create useful works of art that will last for generations.
So Caden, what do you do here at Clark Steel Fabricators?
I'm a welder, mainly weld rails, and sometimes I'll come out and do structural or stairs or whatever they need me to do.
So what do you love about the work you do?
I like just making something and making it look as good as you can, and after you're done with it, it's just nice to have a finished product.
So how does it feel to see your work out in the world?
It's pretty cool, the thought of going somewhere one day and being like, oh yeah, we worked on this project, and being able to see it up and in the field. That'd be cool.
While Caden's career is just beginning, production manager Jerry Sanders has a lifetime of experience that he loves to share with those starting out.
I've been in the business for over 35 years, became certified welder in 1973, a long time ago. It's been a wonderful experience for me, but there is opportunity here for young people that want to learn and want to expand their horizons.
Gross Knot Union High School District CTE pathways like Ag Mechanics at El Capitan High School and Manufacturing and Product Development at El Cajon Valley High School are just a couple of possible next steps you can take to explore this rewarding career.
It's really a good career for young people to get into because they can grow with it, they can showcase their talents, and really have pride in what they've built.
If you like the idea of creating with your hands and you're looking for a career that is both creative and lucrative, welding and metal fabrication might be a great career for you.
Try it, you'll love it.
Keep exploring, and remember, your perfect career could be waiting for you right here in East County.